What is Grok AI? A simple SEO-friendly guide, 2025. Grok is a conversational AI, a large language model that talks, reasons, and uses tools. It can answer questions and explain steps, help write, debug, and test code, read images, charts, and documents, multimodal, pull live info from the web and X for up-to-date answers. Grok launched in November 2023 and has been iterated many times since. The latest major family is Grok 4, designed for deep reasoning and long conversations. Why choose Grok? Pick Grok if you want clear reasoning and live data. Key reasons. Live search. Grok can fetch current news and trends from the web and X. This keeps answers fresh. Strong reasoning. Grok 4 is tuned for multi-step logic, math, and coding. Great for technical tasks. Multimodal help. You can give screenshots or files and ask Grok to analyze them. Multiple access options, free tiers, premium upgrades, and APIs for developers. For businesses, Grok 4 is already available on enterprise platforms such as Microsoft Azure AI Foundry, which makes it easier to deploy in office settings. How TO use GROK, step by step. Go to grok.com or x.ai web interface. Sign in with your X account or the method the app asks for. Premium features, like Grok 4, may need a paid tier or subscription. Ask clear, short questions. Use follow-ups. Show me a simpler version. Why does this line cause an error? Rewrite it for beginners. For developers, use the API. Register for API keys on x.ai, follow the docs, and call the model you need, Grok 4 or Grok 4 Fast for large reasoning tasks. Types of GROK, simple breakdown. Grok 1. Early, the first public model, parts open-sourced later. Good starting point. Grok 1.5. Improved vision and document handling, some previews. Grok 3. Multilingual, real-time search, voice features. Free tier options exist. Grok 4. Frontier reasoning, large context windows for long documents. Used by pros and enterprises. Grok 4 Fast/Fast variants. Optimized for cost and speed. Some fast variants support extremely large context windows for heavy workloads. Limits to keep in mind. Grok can still make mistakes. Always verify critical facts. For creative multimedia, long videos, advanced image editing, other tools may be stronger. Some enterprise or highly regulated uses require careful safety review. Subscribe my channel and share this video.